today I will be making a strawberry shortcake candle. So this is the vessel I'm going to be using. It's this jar. It holds about 8 ounces of wax if you fill it up all the way to the top. In this case, because I'm making a strawberry shortcake, I've been wanting to do this for so long. I'm going to basically fill up the jar up to here with some pink wax. Then after the pink wax sets, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of brown wax to mimic a cookie crumble or a graham crumble, whatever you want to call it. And then on top of that, I'm going to pipe some wax and then put a bunch of strawberries on top. So I think it's gonna look really cute. I'm excited to make this. I already have my pink wax melted, so now I'm just going to place a safety sticker on the bottom, put my wick in, and let's get to work. Remember that safety stickers are a must. Just when you're making candles, you always have to put a warning label on the bottom. There we go. Okay, then for the next step, I'm going to place the wick in the jars. So this is my method. So I always just peel off the top of the sticker and then carefully stick the bottom. So next thing what I'm going to do is just take this off. So now this is my favorite method of placing wicks in the jar, is using a straw. I don't remember, I saw this somewhere on the internet a few months ago. Someone was using a straw to place a wick, and I find it really helps. So now just kind of have to find the middle roughly. Oh no, it started sticking already. Whoops, that's not good. Wasn't quite the middle. There we go. Okay, yep, that looks like it's centered, I think, for the most part. And here is my pink wax. So I'm just checking the temperature. It's it's about 140. So I'm gonna let it cool just for a few more minutes, and then I'll be right back. Actually, while we wait for this wax to cool a little bit, I'm just going to show you what my crumble is going to look like. So I had some extra wax from a different candle, and it's perfect because it smells, the scent I was using was oatmeal and honey, and it just has that like nice kind of spicy scent. It almost smells like gingerbread, so it was perfect for this candle. So I literally just melted that wax, added a bit of brown pigment, and that's going to be my crumbles. I'm just going to break it up and show you the result in just a second. Now, I think my wax here has cooled down enough. Yep, definitely has. So now I'm ready to pour. I think, yeah, that's a good amount. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. Literally smells like strawberries. It's phenomenal. These are my strawberry molds. Okay, so now that the wax is set, I'm going to remove this, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of those graham crackers what it looks like. Perfect. And now I'm gonna start piping the wax. So just like that. Maybe just a couple more at the top here. Finish it off like so. Perfect. And then now I'm just gonna place the strawberries on top like that. So, probably put about 4. And we'll put 1 more. Like that. And there we go. And we just made a lovely strawberry candle with a little bit of crumble. I'm just going to clean up the jar.